And here goes to day 2 of Vlogmas. I can never pronounce it. But right now it is 8:10 here, and I am actually reading a book and coloring a new, a new design. I also have part of the other piece done of this design, which is the bay window from Wednesday. Super excited about this design, but we will vlog hopefully all day. It'll be a little bit longer than yesterday. Anyway, yeah, let's vlog. It's been snowing outside. It's like -40 outside. Not going outside anytime soon. Most of today was spent drawing, so I'll show you what I have accomplished. You can't really see the tones, but yeah. And then we have all of let's just take these off. Where is it? Boom. Okay. And then there's this one. But that is just a small amount of designs that I want to accomplish, so we're gonna keep working on that. Okay, I tripped up the stairs to get the materials for this, so hopefully it goes right. The first one is really cute, so let's check it out. See? It's a little mouse, and it hangs on the Christmas tree, like it's in a little nest. It's so cute. I have 3 more to make. So what I do is just take a little piece of fabric and I glue in the hazelnut into the walnut to make sure it's secure. I add my little mouse ears, as you can see. And then I glue him in, or her. I tuck them in, draw a little face, and they are ready to go on the Christmas tree. Ready? Let's put it the other way. There. Aww. Day 2 of Vlogmas.